Hi everyone, I'm just here to show you real quick how I spruce up my old braids. So this is my hair. It was really nicely braided, but now I'm tired of it. It's growing out and it just doesn't look that great to me anymore. This is how it was. It was a really nice color. It was nice, very summery and preppy. But the time has come to say goodbye to all this preppy green hair. And now I have decided to play around with colors and wrap it with platinum. This is how I do it. So this is one braid. You want to make sure that you have the hair already prepped. This is Marley hair. Or I use Janet Noor 613. Prep the hair already. You use two strands of it, like this much. It looks like this before you prep it. So you want to just like make sure it's not clumped up together. And you prep the hair like so. Okay, make sure that you have two sections already, ready to go. And then sometimes you might need a tiny piece, so you have that on the side. Now the ends, you don't want to be blunt, so you stretch it out a little bit so that it's not that blunt. Latch hook. You take your latch hook. Do not rip your hair out. You hook the hair, then you push it through. Do not force it through without hooking the hair. So don't do this, no. Okay, you're going to open the latch hook, hook the hair, and then put it through. You want to do it like that because it minimizes the breakage. Then you take your hair like so, put it in the latch hook, come a little closer, close it up, pull it through. Sometimes when I am doing it, I will loop it, but this time I don't want to do that. So now I have two ends like so. You hold one end. Now, however direction is more comfortable for you to wrap the hair, then you go that direction. I like to do everything one direction. My direction is this way, so I am going to go to the left. You want to make sure that all the loose hair is pulled up. Do not do it too tight because it could be real uncomfortable if you're not accustomed to it. Especially all the restriction on your hair root is not really good for you to make your hair fall out. So you want to make sure that when you do it, it's comfortable for you. Now you're going to take the hair and you wrap it. I think in some of my African friends, they call this method threading. They use thread to wrap the hair, and it's called threading. So I'm just like, it's just basically like doing threading, but only you're doing it with the Marley hair. Now you want to make sure that you're holding the second part, you're holding it taut. Then you keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Now you want to make sure that you have enough hair so that the black hair doesn't show through. You're going to now bring the second part together. That part that you weren't using, you want to make sure you bring it together with the first part, and then you keep wrapping. Just keep wrapping it until till you get to the desired length or the desired section that you want the faux locks to be. I don't want the whole thing to be wrapped, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop part way, probably like right here, and then when I'm done I will curl the end. Maybe I should have curled it first, I don't know. I probably should have, now that I think about it, because that's what I normally do, but I forgot. Anyways, you see this part? It's not gonna make it all the way down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take another section that's already prepped. Make sure that the end is not blunt. If you're not such a pro, you should have this already prepped, because doing this, prepping it while you're holding on to the hair, you could hold this loosely, and then wrapping it too loose is gonna cause it to get messy fast. So you want to make sure you have that prep, but I'm accustomed to doing this, so it's easier for me to hold it and do all these other extra stuff. Now you put the hair like so. Remember to hold it taut. Then you remember the hair that you had left over, combine it with the new hair and keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Make sure you hold it taut. Do not wrap it loose, because if you do that, then it's not going to turn out to be perfect. It's not going to be nice, and it's going to get messy real quick, and the lock won't be as dense. You want to have it dense enough so that it lasts longer. Remember the hair that you left off that you weren't using as a part of the new hair? You can take some of it and combine it to the one that you're wrapping. Keep wrapping. Make sure that it's spread wide enough, spread out enough, because if it's all bunched up like this, you will not wrap properly, and then you will see the braid underneath. You don't want that, because that's not really too beautiful. Not to me, at least. I don't like it like that. So you just keep wrapping it. Remember this here? You take a piece of it and you keep going, keep wrapping till you get to your desired the desired spot that you want to be. You keep going. Remember this, don't forget it. Okay, just put a piece of it in there, spread it, wrap it. Make sure that you cover the last part that you wrapped. Make sure you're covering the end, because if you don't, you see, like so, and you keep wrapping, keep going. If you do not do that, then when the hair is getting older, like a couple of days into the style, you will suffer, because your hair will be a mess and it will not be that cute, at least not to me, at least. And then you keep wrapping it, go all the way to the desired portion. Don't forget this piece. Combine it with the piece that you're wrapping already. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now I am gonna curl this a part of it. Remember that piece that was left off? Combine it. Make sure you combine it so it looks clean. Okay, and now you're gonna take a piece from here, the old one, and you are going to, never mind my nails, okay, it's all chopped up, but I don't care. You are going to tie it. See that? Now you tie it and it's taut. Then you go upwards now with the wrapping. Sometimes the loose hair, you could take the loose hair and put it back into the wrapping like so, and then you just keep twirling it around, grabbing those loose hair that's all around it. This part at the end, maybe I'll take it out, maybe not. Let's see how I feel. I probably curl it as it is. We'll see. I've never done it like that before, but I'm gonna try it. Then you keep wrapping. When you have a little part left, a little portion left, you're gonna tie it. Pull it taut. Keep wrapping upwards. Tie it again like so. Pull it through. Keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Keep wrapping. Marley hair is it's almost like it's very woolly, and it's almost the texture, well, you could say it's the texture of my woolly hair, and it easily sticks to each other. So once you wrap it and you tie it tight enough, then you should have a lock like this. You keep doing it and you do till you do your whole head.